Although I can't promise to go in the water park, but look at these unique colors of each water slide. But yes, they're in the middle of making new stylized fence of this thing. Oh, and yeah, it's operational. Whoa, is that even the multi-headed creature over there? That looks like Tookie Harry over there. Man. But I got a couple of Goliath off-ride shots if it runs 2 trains. I hope it does. I really hope it does. Maybe we'll try to get more angles real quick. But I'm not sure. But something should be better than nothing. Man. Black, we got magenta and blue patterns. Black and yellow and green, yes. Oh yeah, Riddlers.
Excuse me, there's something on Taylor Pion. There's something that's
I see.
Whose number did we use?
Let me take it to view.
I don't know. Is there another one running? Okay, I'll put it for that one.
Man, is the bus really that free?
What the heck?
Oh yes, and look at the fucking fence over there. Looks kind of like it's wood, but wood. Man, it really is the wood texture. Whoa, first time seeing it moving. But come on. Yes, coaster wind will cool me down, especially Vipa. Looks color. Yeah, this might count as art. I don't know if I should. If we come there before park opening, so then how can we use the golden hour?